Okay, part two of what I was just recording. Sorry about that. Part two. So this is what I have to do when the holding this phone is not easy. When the propane tank empties, you then come right here to the knob and you turn the bitch all the way to off. Because you're fixing to hook another tank up. If that thing's clicked on over, it'll start spewing out gas. You don't want that. You don't want propane just come spewing out. So you can come over here. We got two tanks right here. Two tanks. So we take this tank right here and we drag it right here, right? Don't clink it. That was stupid. I shouldn't have done that. So then you oh my God. I had it on there kind of tight. Whoa, why you? There we go. It's gonna do that. It's gonna let a little out that's stuck right there. That's normal. That's normal. Okay. That's a smell. Hang on, let's close it. Wait, did I just turn it off or just... Let's open this closed. Okay, sorry. So the tank is empty. It just had a little bit in the nozzle, which stinks, which stunk a bit. So we move the tank over there. All right, I'll show you what I got to do. So then we move this tank, which I'm gonna try and... Oh, Jesus. Okay, give me a second. 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 Oh, gotta move it over. Oh God, I am a weak man. Holy shit. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see what's going on here. So you grab this tab. Wait. Before you do that, you gotta make sure it's off. Okay, yes, it is off. Grab a tab. And you tear it off. There we go. Okay. All right. Then you take this right here on here like this. Hopefully y'all can see this. And you tighten it. What the hell is that about? The thing is on off. Or on closed. Why are you spewing? Stop spewing. Don't spew. Okay? There we go. Alright, so then you turn it to open it. Holy hell, that is tight. What the hell? And I'm a pussy. Oh God. What the hell is it on there so tight for? Twisted. Holy hell. That is not coming undone. What the hell? Who the hell thought that was a good idea? Someone needs a foot in the ass. Hang on. Oh, fuck. That's not good. That's not good at all. Oh, God. Give me a second. I need something to put against it. I'm not gonna hit it. Don't get confused. Actually, yeah, I am. There we go. I am gonna hit it. There we go. That was not something you should do, by the way. But twist it. Now it's open. I think that's enough. Yeah. Let a bunch of the gas through there. Okay. 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 Okay, so twist this back around how I had it. Now you open the back, you open your door and air some of that gas out. Woo! That is like a dirty fart. That is like a dirty fart. Woo! I can get out of here. Holy hell, man. And that's the stuff they mix with the propane to help you tell when there's a leak. That's good. We're good. We're good. We're real good. Okay, so now, oh God, my back is killing me. Johnny, my brother, usually, oh God, my back is killing me. He usually does this shit because I have hell with this shit, but it had to be done. So move it over to pilot, right? See how it's on pilot? You hold it down really hard, the button on pilot, and then you sit here doing this until it lights. That is not working. So I'm gonna kind of turn it up. Okay, back to pilot. Had to release some pressure on there, I think. Oh, come on. Are you not working? You can't keep doing that. If I keep doing that, maybe it's not open all the way. Maybe it needs opened more. Let's just say close, open. So that's all the way open. It's, oh God, I hope this is right. Hell, I don't even know which way to turn this orange thing to make it open. I'm a fool. I'm not right. This is bad. Well then, I thought I could teach people things, but apparently not. So I need you to hang on. I need something that's not heavy enough. Maybe this. There we go. I'm going to put this right here. There. That way it's sitting there while I try and figure this out. Something's not right. I don't know if it's this or this. There it goes. I had it the wrong way. I'm so sorry about that. I had it the wrong way. I had to twist it back the other way. The orange thing. There's like an orange knob that I was showing you. I had to twist it the wrong way. Okay. Let's see. I think I need to turn the orange knob. There we go. There we go. Sorry about that. What it was is the little. Hang on. Hang on. What it was is that little orange knob right there that sits on the little thing. It was not. It got nudged the other way, and I was trying to figure out which way to go with it to open it back up. The little orange knob. It's back. I fixed it. And now it's getting nice and toasty again. I don't want it too high though. Here's the thing. I keep it kind of low. And the reason I keep it at like 1 is because I'm trying to not, I'm not trying to be super warm in here. Number one, I sweat easily. But, yeah. So, that's the whole ordeal. I gotta sit back down. My back is cracking. Crack-a-lack-a-lackin'. That's how I deal with my heating situation. It's nice and glowy now. Look at it glowing. Ooh. I can feel it. Ooh, it feels nice. Ooh. Okay. This has been the Goof. And this is how I keep warm.